What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we have a freaking laser cube. This is like a high-powered laser, not like insanely high-powered, like there are definitely more powerful lasers. But this thing should be pretty powerful because you can like pop balloons with it like instantly. There's a lot more stuff in this box than I thought. Let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we got inside. I don't know what kind of laser cube you need a controller for, but that's kind of awesome. Microphone table clamp. What the? So, I mean, this company just randomly sent me an email and says, hey, do you want a laser cube? I was like, sure, let me try it against an iPhone. And they're like, sweet, we'll also send you a flashlight. What the heck is this? Is it a beach ball? Now I'm super curious why they sent this to me. That's not happening. Okay, so this looks like the actual thing where the laser cube might reside. Whoa, la, la, la. I have not seen this yet. Awesome. Looks like a cube. Imagine that. No idea what those things are. This thing takes a power brick, apparently. Like a freaking laptop or something. Some more doohickeys. I don't know. This is a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be. I am not going to lie. Okay, wow. This thing is weighty. You open this up and the lasers come shooting out of here. Now this is not a sponsored video, but as a courtesy to the company that sent the laser cube and the flashlight, I don't think these were too cheap. I'll have a link in the description down below. Okay, this is a tripod head. Microphone table clamp. I'm guessing these combine together to be able to mount the cube to a table? But can't the cube just sit on the table? I'm really confused. What the heck is the purpose of this? Does this fit on here? That does not fit there either. Okay, awesome. We also have a desktop tripod in here. What fits what here? Because nothing's fitting anything at this point. Hey, this actually looks like something I might use. Like, is this just like, they're just showing off the products that they have or something? The tripod head fits the cube. Something fits something, yay. There's no instructions for any of this. What am I supposed to do with the cube? World's smallest laser projector. Laser show projector is the name of this. I guess this could be used for musicians or like in like a club environment, like you know what I mean? And I guess the tripod thing here is useful for mounting it like on a table so that it can like shoot out into an audience. So with the gamepad you can play laser game. Well, let's go ahead and just like check out an infotational video here.
Don't let the laser cube's tiny size fool you. This is a class 4 laser. The highest laser has a class there is, so you...
This is a class 4 laser, the highest laser class there is. What?
Laser safety goggles when burning and popping with a steady beam. You will see what I mean later.
I don't have any laser safety goggles. This thing's melting CD trays. Quite frankly, I thought this would be like super easy. This is way more advanced laser cube thingy than I thought. What's the price on this thing? Like, I did not think it was gonna be this much. If you want to see that video that I was just watching, I'll have a link in the description. Holy crap, it's a $600 cube! What? I did not think this would be that much. That is freaking awesome. Okay, so I can't believe they sent me this. This is a very expensive cube. The major thing that I really want before I turn one of these lasers on is I want some freaking eyewear, protection wear. Like, if that thing shoots me in the arm, my arm's gonna get burned a little bit. That's not a big deal. If the thing shoots me in the eye, I'm freaking blind, okay? I don't want that. I value my eyesight. Can't believe they didn't include laser glasses in the kit. What do they expect me to be, some laser master person already? I ain't no laser master person. So I need some glasses. I'm gonna message the Wicked Laser people and see if I can get some glasses delivered to me as soon as possible so that I can continue filming in a safe and controlled manner. If they're not willing to send me some, I guess I'll spring for some. We're gonna fast forward cut to the future. All right, so I emailed the Laser Cube people. They said that they are not gonna send me glasses and that in fact, normal sunglasses should be enough to protect my eyes, and I still have my doubts. So I'm just gonna make sure that the high focus laser beam never goes in my eyes and I'm never like looking at it when it's active. Long story short, we're gonna go ahead and give this a try with just regular sunglasses. You can tell how excited I am about that. Here we go.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Laser cube protection engaged. Time to download the software for this laser cube thing.
What are you talking about?
The normal way you put it in. Okay, our key is unlocked. Glasses are on. Power enabled. Is there something else that's missing? I found the user manual. Hey, okay. Warning, laser radiation. Avoid eye and skin exposure, direct or scattered radiation. Class 4 laser product. All right, fantastic. Lasers are capable of starting fires at great distances. Do not use around flammable materials. I wonder how flammable the iPhone will be. We need to download another app that we don't have. What? File not found. This is great news. I might have to email these guys. The Laser OS app will detect if the LC1000 is connected. That's definitely not what we're getting. Alright, well, I guess we're at a standstill once again. We'll wait for the response from the manufacturers, because right now we're dead in the water. Oh, my knee. Oh, my knee. Ah! So, we're back at it. Now, they responded saying that Laser OS should be all I need. So, they said to try a different USB cable, so that's what we're going to do. We are plugged in. We're gonna try turning it on. 3, 2, 1. Still nothing. What are we doing wrong here? These are the makers of this thing and they don't seem to know exactly what to do. I don't know. Oh, we're getting beep noises. I'm like holding it to the left and it's detecting it, I think. Oh, we've got detection. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, it was a finicky USB port on the actual laser cube. We have to hold the connection to the side. Laser is off right now. How do we turn the laser on? Boom, this button. Laser on. Oh. Sunglasses on. We're not getting any lasers coming out, and I'm a little bit worried about why we're not getting lasers coming out. I'm not seeing anything. This is weird. Why aren't we getting anything? What do I gotta do to make you love me? Come on, laser. Love me good. Turning the key again. Aha! We've got a laser show up in front of me now. Okay, time to turn the camera around. Would you just look at that? All right, and now we're gonna turn lights off. Freaking gorgeous. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what kind of stuff we got. This is so cool though, like, look at that. Whoa. Ballerina action. Not gonna lie, this is freaking sick, okay? Bum 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 bum. Whoo! Dang, that is some sick looking images. What the heck? Okay, that might be my favorite so far. I am just sitting here mesmerized right now by all these crazy lasers. Okay, check this out. You can make it into a piano thing that you can actually play. Boom! The target symbol burner thing-a-doodle. Okay, so that crosshair behind me is where the burn point will be. That's how you pop the balloons. Let's start with one of those before we put the iPhone in the line of fire. I'm looking forward to this. Let's see what happens. Here goes nothing. I am out. My eyes are out of the line of fire of this laser right now. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was instant. Holy shit. I looked up a little bit too quick, and I saw the high power laser. Not directly, but just like, it's like turns purple. Whew! That was instantaneously popping that balloon. That was like no delay. Not at all. It was just a pop! The moment I pressed it. Okay, I was not expecting that. Also, there's a controller that comes with this. Alright, we found the controller. The controller is set up now. Oh, we can use the controller to aim it. Oh my god, I'm playing Laser Destructoid with a freaking controller. That's admittedly really freaking cool. So as you can see, I'm controlling the laser pointer with the controller here. Okay, I think we're finally freaking ready to laser blast this iPhone. We've got the laser cube set up right here. We've got the iPhone right there. Gotta turn the key to fire mode. Oh my god, that is terrifying. Whoa. See, that's what I was afraid of. It's gonna freaking light something on fire behind me. Look at that. I have no idea what to expect here. Maybe nothing. Alright, so I think we're finally ready. Oh my god. I'm just gonna be honest right here. I'm really freaking nervous. I have no clue what's gonna happen. Anyway, here we go. Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it goes. I think it's setting my wall on fire behind me. Look at that. Oh, there it goes. I think it's setting my wall on fire behind me. Look at that. What the heck? Alright, did anything even happen? The iPhone might be too reflective to even take any damage here. I'm gonna leave. Whoa, we're firing again. That was not intentional. Jesus, the freaking laser sound this thing makes too. Okay, we are going to power the laser off! Laser off! Okay, let's go feel this thing. It's not even warm. Not gonna lie, a little bit disappointed in the fact that it's not even warm. Alright, let's try. Boom. Oh my god, look at that. The freaking iPhone's freaking out. Alright, well, this is gonna be an interesting test. I don't know, are we doing to go down just a little? Wow, this is hard to control. I think that's right on the money. Alright, we ready? Fire. Test number 1 in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Nothing. Whoa! It's definitely messed up the camera. It's got a really wonky vibe to this camera now. Holy crap, it messed up the sensor for sure. Let's try another shot. It's so easy to fire this thing on accident! What the heck? I'm not even meaning to fire it and it's going off. Oh my god, it's terrifying. Okay, where's my mouse? I do not want to fire this thing again. That is not a good design. It should be like a confirm before you fire, because you can take someone's eye out with this thing. Okay, come on. Adjust the software. This is pretty freaking scary. Here we go. We're going to fire again on the camera sensor in 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. We really bedoinked the camera sensor now. Oh, okay. It was on exposure lock. Yeah, let's just keep shooting this thing a few more times, see what kind of craziness we can do to this camera. Oh my god, I did not click it! Ah! I was being super careful not to click it, and it went off anyway. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and just lay into it now. We're just going to see what happens to the camera after like 5 shots. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. 1 shot. 2 shotos. 3 shotos. 4 shotos. And shot number 5. Okay, let's check out the camera now. Is it messed up even worse, or what's the deal with it? Oh my God. Look at how messed up that camera sensor is now. Okay, well that camera sensor is completely ruined. All right. It's probably gonna shoot on accident again, so I'm just trying to move the mouse. Just moving the mouse. Yeah, it fired. Oh my God. I just can't believe this is a thing. Okay. Is it done firing yet? Holy crap. Let me say we shoot the App Store maybe. So here we go. We're gonna shoot it 5 times. I don't know, maybe nothing will happen. Maybe something will happen. I have no clue. All right, we're shooting in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Shot 1. Shot 2. Shot 3. Shot 4. Wow, that's so cool. I want to look at it, but I really shouldn't. Anyway, all right, shot number 5. Let's see if anything happens to that display at all. Let's take a closer look. Oh my God. The App Store has been disintegrated. Okay, let's try shooting just 1 time and seeing how much damage just 1 shot does. All right, here we go. It's gonna fire again anyway, so I'm just gonna aim it. I'm just gonna pre-aim it this time, knowing it's gonna fire. Fire 1. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. All right, let's check it out. After 1 shot, what's the damage look like? Wow, that's actually almost the same amount of damage from just 1 of the shots. I mean, I feel like the iTunes and App Store is a little bit lonely, and the other apps want to get shot as well. So we're going to go ahead and just shoot all the apps at least once here. We're going to use the multi-target mode on the laser cube. Just go zap, 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 or at least that's the goal. I'm going to see. I haven't done it yet. I'm going to try it and see if it works. All right, here we go. Okay, we're just going to get an extra shot in. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, it's double firing. What the heck? What the heck? All right, did it done fire yet? Okay, it's done. Okay, we burned another hole in our iPhone. That's great. All right, target mode, multi-target lock mode enabled. Here we gotta like mark each of these. Okay, we're gonna mark the setting app. Oh my God, did that leave an actual like targeting mark? Oh, that's amazing. Ha 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 ha.
All young men with suits and ties, just sitting in the crowd smoking big cigars. I hope you're ready for what's coming now. I'm the one on the lady that would bring it down.
Can't believe this is something I never imagined I would ever do in the course of my life. Use a class 4 laser against a freaking iPhone and just destroy it so badly. We've done it. We've marked it. I think we're just gonna go ahead and let it rip. Fire away. Okay, there's 1 fire. How does this work? Yes, it's doing exactly as I thought it would. It's aiming from 1 target to the next target.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys.
Let's take a look at the aftermath. Here we go. All right, here we are. Oh my God. Every app was shot, and every app has a mark now. So there you go. That is a lot of damage. Whoa, this thing is warm. I didn't even realize how warm it is. Well, if you enjoyed this little Mini-Deathstar versus an iPhone, I hope you guys hit that like button. And if you want to see more wacky, silly durability, tech, destruction, and review comparison smartphone awesomeness, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Brandon out. Bye-bye.